Hi, my name is Dr. Ian Schuman. I have a general reconstructive and aesthetic dental practice full-time here in Pasadena, Maryland. Here are some tips and tricks to help you make the process of relining your denture with SOFRELINER TOUGH much easier and simpler. Here's a case of silicone remover and removing the actual soft reline base material. The adhesion of SOFRELINER TOUGH to the denture base is incredibly strong and requires a liquid chemical remover in order to peel it out. So what we use is silicone remover from Tokiyama Dental. By creating a small gap between the reline and the denture base, the silicone liquid is dripped into that area, allowed to infiltrate between the silicone liner and the denture base, allowing it to be easily peeled off. Those are my tips and tricks. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully in the future, you'll be a Tokiyama SOFRELINER user as well.